Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to link Coinbase to Coinbase wallet in 3 simple steps. Let's go. Step 1. Install and open Coinbase wallet. Download the Coinbase wallet app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store for Android. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet, including creating a new wallet and securing it with a backup phrase. Step 2. Access settings and connect account. Once your wallet is set up, tap on the settings icon or gear icon in the lower right corner of the Coinbase wallet app. Tap on Connect to Coinbase under the settings menu. Step 3. Authorize and link accounts. You will be prompted to sign into your Coinbase account. Enter your Coinbase account credentials and sign in. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Coinbase wallet and your Coinbase account. After completing these steps, your Coinbase account will be linked to your Coinbase wallet, allowing you to easily transfer assets between the two.